Straight talk messaging problems are more complex than typical carrier issues because of how the service operates. Understanding the underlying technology helps explain why messages sometimes fail to send or receive. Straight Talk is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. Unlike traditional carriers that own their own cell towers, Straight Talk operates on the networks of Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. This creates additional complexity because messages must route through multiple network layers. Straight Talk users connect to whichever network provides the best signal in their area. This means your message might travel through Verizon's network in one location, but AT&T's network in another. Each carrier has different routing protocols and message handling systems. Several recent developments have made messaging more complex. The ongoing 5G network expansion creates temporary disruptions during transitions. Access point name or APN setting updates have resolved some issues but created others. The rollout of rich communication services, or RCS, is gradually replacing traditional messaging, but causing conflicts during the transition. SMS and MMS are fundamentally different technologies. SMS messages are limited to 160 characters and travel through cellular control channels, requiring only basic network connectivity. MMS messages can include photos and videos, but need an active data connection and proper APN configuration. This makes MMS more prone to failure. Message failures typically occur at predictable points. Network congestion during peak hours can delay or drop messages entirely. Incorrect APN settings are the most common cause of MMS failures. Problems with message center routing numbers affect SMS delivery. Device compatibility issues are increasingly common as more users bring unlocked phones from other carriers. Industry experts confirm that MVNO messaging issues are inherently more complex than traditional carrier problems. Current statistics show higher failure rates and the need for carrier-specific solutions. Understanding these underlying causes is the first step toward effective troubleshooting. When Straight Talk messaging fails, start with these basic diagnostic steps. First, check your signal strength to ensure you have adequate network coverage. Next, restart your device completely. This simple step resolves many temporary network connection issues and refreshes your device's connection to the Straight Talk network. Clear your messaging app's cache to remove corrupted temporary files. This process varies by device, but typically involves going to Settings, then Apps, finding your messaging app, and selecting Clear Cache. Reset your network settings to restore default connectivity configurations. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords, but often resolves persistent messaging issues by refreshing all network connections. If basic steps don't work, manually configure your APN settings. For Android devices, the APN should be set to TF data, MMS proxy to MMSTF.net, and MMS port to 80. The MCC should be 310 with MNC varying by network. iPhone users experiencing group messaging issues should try disabling iMessage for group conversations or enabling Send as SMS. This provides a temporary workaround while RCS implementation is completed. Current statistics show that APN and data setting problems account for 35% of messaging issues, network coverage problems for 25%, and device compatibility issues for 20%. Understanding these common causes helps prioritize troubleshooting efforts. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consider SIM card replacement or contact Straight Talk support to verify account provisioning. These final steps address hardware and account level issues that cannot be resolved through device settings alone.